Hi, I'm gonna be singing a song. That's Irma. I can take the rain off the doors of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then put them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while. I'm alone and always alone. Still upsets me. There are days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but is it what gets me? What hurts the most? Being close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away. Never knowing what could have been, and not seeing that loving you. That was what I was trying to do. It's so hard with the pain of losing you everywhere I go. I'm doing it. It's so hard to focus and smell of friends. And we're all together, learning just living with really hard right now. Couldn't do it over. I would take it away, always in my heart, how to feel it's broken. What hurts the most? Staying so close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away. Never knowing what could have been, and seeing the loving you is what I was trying to do. Not afraid to cry every once in a while, even through going on with you still upsets me. There are days every now and again, but that's all that gets me. Hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say, watching you walk away. And never knowing what could have been, not seeing that loving you, that's what I was trying to do. Hurts the most, was so close, having so much to say, watching you walk away, knowing what could have been, not seeing and loving you. That was what I was trying to do.